What's the meaning of Connecticut? Connecticut. Connecticut.
Connecticut. Connecticut. Connecticut is a state located in the northeastern region of the United States. The name Connecticut comes from an Algonquian word meaning land on the long tidal river. The state has a rich history dating back to pre-colonial times and played an important role in the American Revolution. Today, Connecticut is known for its beautiful coastal towns, charming small cities, and its thriving economy with strong industries in finance, healthcare, and technology. Additionally, it is home to renowned universities such as Yale and UConn, making it a center for academic excellence.